Everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to edit your PDF using PDF24. So guys, this is as you can see your website, and you can edit your PDF and can merge PDF, and you can extract PDF image, and you can delete your PDF page from this website, and you can convert your PDF to Word and JPG to Word. And all these tools is available guys on this beautiful tools PDF. What you have to do guys, for example, you want to edit this PDF, and click one and choose your file here and drag your PDF here. After that, wait, and all you have to do guys, click one here and your PDF was opened, and you can edit here easily guys. You can add the text and image, and you can drag anything here, and you can convert, save, you can save your PDF after complete your option and action. And this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and you can add text here as you can see here guys.